Hey, what's up, Holochain holders? So, what's going on? This is the live price prediction of Holochain because the Holochain in the previous day very badly fell us down. And what's the next target of Holochain in the upcoming days? They're going up or they fell us down. What's the new target of Holochain coin? So, exactly, this is very important. And also, I share my opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. But first of all, if you can see your Holochain holder, the crypto market very badly fell us down. All coins very badly fell us down, but just unique Ethereum is going up, my friend. So what's the situation, critical situation of Holochain? Absolutely very important. Let's get started the price production of Holochain, my friend. Please, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe this channel. Click the red button, please. If you subscribe our YouTube channel, keep touch with us. I guide you free every time. Just you click on the subscribe. Thanks for subscribing, my brother. Thanks for subscribing ABS Tech channel, my friend. If you could see here in the last 1 hour, this time you could see here they fail. They are going up again, my friend. Remember this in the last 1 hour they jump 0.11%. They jump, my friend. Very good jump, my friend. This time you can see here they starting jump, so this is good for everyone. You can see here, my friend, 0.015 US dollar is this time the latest price of Holochain, my friend. You can see here after a very bad falls they take again jump, my friend. So let's see the last 7 days start to what's going on and what's in upcoming days they go up or they fail us down. This is very important, my friend. If you could see here, my friend, in the last past 7 days they very badly fail us down, my friend. But I hope in upcoming days they're moving up, my friend. After this chart, you understand do they go up or they fails down, my friend. If you could see here, this is the circulation fails down, fails down. Exactly, this is circulation they're moving up. And upcoming days, absolutely in the last 1 hour, I tell you, remember to they're starting moving up. So absolutely this time also they're moving up. So my friend, the good time is coming soon. But this time, if you can see here, this circulation, if this circulation they continuously, then exactly they can hit this time 0.1 US dollar. But if this circulation they cannot moving up and they cannot take a high jump, like you can see here, this is the highest target point. So if they cannot hit this point, then exactly they are in the loss. You can see here they are in completely in the loss, my friend. So I hope, my friend, in upcoming days they're moving up, but this time you can see here they fail us down very badly. So let's see to what's going on in upcoming days. My opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it. If you sell it, and this time absolutely you are in the loss. So please hold it, don't sell it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, friends. Please like and subscribe this channel. Please like and subscribe. Remember to subscribe this channel.